hooked up to the 8770. I actually have already worked one field before this. This field's right outside the farm here, right behind the farm. The other field's across the road from the farm. But we were making sure everything worked in that field, and so I didn't video anything there, and it was over a span of a couple of days, so I just didn't get anything there. But this field, getting stuff here, just started probably 30 minutes ago. Got my diagonal lines down across the field, so I'm ready to go. It's time for lunch. Let's go eat. Probably a turkey sandwich. Maybe some hot dogs. I don't know. Whatever I find. I'm even with the tool shed. So I should be smooth rolling now. I had to fill in where the diagonal line started. I had to go on the other side of that and fill in that. So I should be rolling now. So should be good. So let's go eat lunch and come back and do more work. Well, you guys, say goodbye to the old SP580. Probably never see her again. I can't promise that, but probably won't ever see this planter again. At least not on my channel. She's going bye-bye. I cannot say it's been a good planter because it really hasn't. I'm not going to shed a tear when I see it pull out the driveway today. It's not going to a junkyard, but probably should. But when it pulls out the driveway, I will probably, the only tear you will see will be tears of joy. But I won't cry. No, I'm not doing that. So, say goodbye to the planter. I've had lots of memories with this planter. Can't say they've been good memories, but I've had lots of memories. So. as it'll go, but I still don't think you can see it very well. He's just disking up I think the ruts in the muck is what it looks like. They've got a big four-wheeler, and I think it's got triples on it. Instead of duals, it's got triples. That's their older four-wheeler. They have a newer four-wheeler, but we're not the only ones, so I knew we weren't the only ones to start out with, but they were putting anhydrous on the other day, pre-anhydrous, before the plant. Got a rock. I haven't really had too many rocks catching this on this field. On the last field I had quite a few, but this field I haven't had too many get caught in here. I've hit a lot, but I haven't had too many get caught in here. So this is probably my third one that's been caught in here. So far doing pretty good. That's a big rock. That's what that is. Started piling up on me. Gotta look, see if there's any rocks. You can see there's part of the pile there. There. Don't see any rocks. Maybe just stalks build up. I don't see any rocks there. Must have just been a lot of dirt. Just like that, we'll call her a day. I made it, oh, probably halfway through, a little more than halfway, so not too bad. Be good. This will be, once I get this finished, this will be the second day, or second field, not the second day, second field I've done, so it'll be good. We're rolling right along. It's good. We need that.